challenge. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Ba't hindi ka namamansin? Share ko lang, attend me fans na yung uni sa weekend. Wow! OMG! Have fun! Bahay na lang po sa akin. Bahay po ako kay Jelly, kay Alicia, kay Koto ko, tapos kay Nana. Pasabi po na I love her. I love her. And they're so pretty and talented. Pagalawin mo nga yung katabi. Don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. But it got me really confused. Don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm stuck in the middle. Do you want me to pana your heart? Wow! Pulling me in, pushing me out, pulling me back again. You know if your body's made up, but I know that nobody wanna be stuck. Dami ko din gastos dahil sa upcoming concerts. Yeah, IU is coming here. IU. Sino pa ba? IU. I've Itzy. Oh my gosh. Siguro, sa na lang ako? Sa labas? Doon na lang ako magko-concert sa labas din. Ay, magko-concert? Manonood sa labas ng arena. Ano? Ay, celebrity ni IU. Oh, yeah. Sa ay punta ka. I wanna see Wonyang, Rhea, si Litzy. Ay, Litzy! What? Shockeries. Si Liz. OMG! How can I? I go. Litzy. Hindi kasi yung cute kasi ni Liz. Kaya Litzy. Oh no. I see the look upon your face. Set the mark and I embrace. Sino si Litzy? Oh, chicha. Start to walk your way. I wanna hear what you would say. You gotta stand there and right. Cause all those girls know what you. Oh yeah, pakinggan natin yung yung 7th version na. To make sure you never leave. If I come close, baby, would you like that? If I give some more, you'll give it right back. To show you that I know where it's at, baby, would you like that? Baby, would you like that? Sheesh, pala, butter pala yun, butter up. You feel way better than your dreams. If I show you that I know where it's at. Yun nandun si Ayon. Litzy. Galing ni Liz nung kinanta yung Love Wins All. OMG. Let's play that next. Love Wins All. I'm on a mission. Don't need permission. No matter what, I'm gonna make my own decision. I'm talking you want. Oh yeah, let's put that to the band version. Remember me? Sting like a bee. 굶주린 살짝 같은 personality. Hello, OMG, I'm only 496 MB. Oh no! I think, yeah, siguro itong after 2 songs, gonna end my life. Ano? Guys, reminder po sa ating goal. I hope we can reach our goal today. Para naman ma-upload natin yung ating aso ka, no? Opo. Let's go, guys. Hindi po kasi yung wifi po namin, sira po siya ngayon. May sira siya ngayon po. Kaya nag-data po ako ngayon. Lagi siyang nasisira. Sinchay.
Remember me, sting like a bee. 모델을 바꿔 눈을 우린 MVP. 네가 빼고 다른 것은 원하지 않아. I'll never do you wrong. You're ready when I'm wrong. 좀 더 강하게, 더 빠르게 날려버릴게. Just say what a big mistake.
Ubos load mo nun mamaya. Yeah, kasi nanood din po ako nung Mashel. Ang dami kong gusto panoorin ngayon kahit ang dami mga activities to do. Gusto ko pa rin mag-watch talaga. Mag-watch. At the same time, mag-learn ng dance.
So listen up, everybody. So you know come on. We are the monsters of the world. 지금 당겨보자 어디든. Let me show you who we are. Better up, everybody. So you know come on. We are the monsters of the world. 지금 당겨보자 어디든. Let me show you who we are. Better. Eyes of the look upon your face. Set them all like an embrace. Never keep staring.
Ay, so wala dito sa Spotify. Sa
Mouth just start to
YouTube.
walk your way. I wanna hear what you would say. You got our standards and I do too. Cause all those girls know what you need. But I know the way to make sure you never leave.
Ito po yung 30 minutes?
Come
Oh,
close,
yeah.
baby, would you like that? If I give some, would you give it right back? To show you that I know where it's at, baby, would you like that? Baby, would you like that? Sing one love, boy, know what that means.
Miracle Serum with Naya Sorcinol for ultimately clear skin from 3 days.
30 minutes.
Let's get it.
Calvin's only cover ni Bees.
Nearest time, my universe. 날 데려가줄래?
Di ba fan din si Liz ni Ayu? She loves Ayu too.
떠올릴 수 없는 곳으로 저기 멀리 from earth to Mars 꼭 같이 가줄래? 그곳이 어디든 오랜 외로움
Everyone loves Ayu talaga.
날 찾아서 어떤
What if?
실수로 이토록 우리는 함께일까?
Hindi. This is our challenge.
세상에서도 멈춰버려 나를 화도 끝까지 가져 말라봐 나쁜 길만일까 길을
I think I saw you in the mall. Paano niyo po ako makikita sa mall na hindi po ako lumalabas ng bahay? Hindi po ako pupunta ng mall. School at bahay lang po. Baka iba po yun. Ay, kamukha ko pala. Hi from Europe. Hi Europe. Baka isang Clariel. Di ba, meron sa TikTok, sabi, kapag may nakita ka daw doppelganger, ay, someone who looks like you, run daw. Looks like you. May isa pa tayong song para ma-reach natin ang dalawa. Wow, may isang song. Thank you, Cuddles Bear. Isa na lang. Isa na lang po. Isa na lang po, tatalo na po si Cactus.
좋다. 네. 뭔가 한 곡으로서 듣기 좋았.
Thank you, Bill. Thank you for the rose. Lovely, Ronnie. Ayan ba yung K-drama?
하나 둘 셋 멋진 라이브를 예쁘게 봐주셔서 그러면
Baby, I'm a monster. Oh no, you're gonna. I see you in summer. You know you're in trouble. Ooh, 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 ooh. 날 봐, 뭉쳐봐. 어차피 손바닥 위에서 못 나가. You know that. 눈 뜨는 순간 피어나. All eyes on me. 불을 질러라. Don't worry, all my life. Yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet. Got them all going.
Maglagay kaya tayo na... Ay, hindi. We're gonna log pala.
You know what it is, every Friday's pull up in a ghost, pick up boo-hoo. Vroom, vroom, need a shit, jacket, pop, jigger, pop, 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 pedal to the metal. Click, clack, click, put 'em up to the sky, high, 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 high. Yeah, all eyes on me, 불을 질러라. All day, all my life, yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet. Got them all going. Shish, 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 shish. Yeah, everybody on it. Shish, 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 shish. Yeah, got them all going.
Yes, of course! I love that. Also,
Time's up. 올라가서. 고데기 라. 하늘 위로. Fly away. All the signs are 뒤집어. Baby, I'm a monster. It's like, are you ready?
it's like, are you ready? Talagang sinabi ni Aya na they're not lip-sync. They're singing it live. May bias saan? Bias where? Blackpink? Bias ko sa Blackpink. Oh, 何これ英語大してもだ
안녕하세요, 베이비몬스터입니다.
감사합니다.
저희
guys,
베이비몬스터가 오늘
ano
처음
na.
미스친 라이브에 나오게 됐는데요. 너무 Bright Miracle Serum with Naya Sorcinol for ultimately clear skin from 3 days. A new miracle.
Bini po. Bini. My bias sa Bini is si Gwen. Super love ko yung sense of fashion niya.
네, 인사드리겠습니다.
Ang galing niya manamit. I love her.
네, 저희
And,
아이가 처음으로 이렇게 이치라에
Nung nakita ko siya, it was like, whoa, she's so tall. She's
네, 저희 아이엠이라는
she's so good at
곡은요,
dancing. Like, ang lakas ng dating niya when she's performing.
가지고 주체적인 삶의
Though
틀을
lahat sila
가지자는
magaling
메시지를
sumayaw.
드렸습니다.
But
자, 우리
Gwen
멤버들
caught my
준비되나요?
attention. My attention! You got me looking for attention!
Let's go!
Wow! New jeans! Yeah, so yun is apat talaga bias ko. Cause why not, diba? Bakit? May rule ba na isa lang dapat ang bias? Giving the chance. Naman din siya, man. Alright. Bye-bye! Biglang bumalik. I want to go to Ives talaga. I want to go to Ives. What? I wanna watch. Bye-bye! Thank you, Banda! Upload natin bukas. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching my live. Sakto nag-lowbat na rin yung aking laptop. Kasi hindi siya charge. Ayun lang po for tonight. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching. See you next year. Ah! Ano ito? Nag-brown out ba to? Pumutok na naman ba yung poste sa labas? Chinchay, oh. Guys, don't leave me. Nakakanood ko ng Conjuring kanina. Bye-bye po. I-check lang naman yung poste ko. Hindi, naka-on kasi yung ring light ko. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.